Stir-fried chicken with curry recipe. "300 grams of chicken breast should be cut thinly lengthwise. "150 grams of mushroom should be sliced thinly. One paprika should be cut in half, and its seeds should be removed. After that, it should be cut in thin pieces. Two green peppers, or one green bell pepper, and one clove of garlic should be chopped thinly too. Let's add a tablespoon of cooking oil onto the pan. After it heats, let's add the chicken breast to it. The meat needs to be stirred until it releases its water. After that, the mushroom should be added to it. When chicken and mushroom are cooked together for a couple of minutes, the peppers and the garlic should be added to the pan. 1 dessertspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt should be added. The ingredients should be stir-fried for 4 or 5 minutes. Typically, black pepper is omitted when stir-frying with curry, as it would change the beautiful color of the latter. But I love how black pepper elevates the taste of this dish, so I couldn't resist. After adding 200 ml of single cream, everything should be stir-fried for 3 to 4 minutes. This dish would serve 4 people. Hope you try and enjoy it.